Morning traders. This morning we're seeing institutional profit taking that started this morning at the time of the major news. This was the news this morning, as you could see, at 5:30 a.m. PST on Thursday, July 11th. Here we are, Thursday, July 11th, market selling off. Again, software gave alerts on multiple charts, but what is essential to recognize? There is no speculation, nothing is random. This is where price reverses. And again, I can convert software to any chart I choose. Alerts played out on multiple charts. And here we go. When buyers step in from this level and rules are met, what is this confirming? Buyers are weak. This is intelligent, strategic, proprietary chess that you trade with critical key rules. In the trading room, you're witnessing this too, the tick. Again, alerts on multiple charts. Again, I converted software to 3-minute chart. In the course, you learn critical rules that you can apply to all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. But what else is essential to see? This is a chart present in the trading room for years. This is not your day trading positions. This is your long-term positions. Market institutional profit taking in a play. On this chart, you know this months in advance. Intelligent trader also knows weeks and months in advance. This is key institutional level to the downside. And if I do zoom in to critical key chart, how did we know that this would play out? Retail reversal zone is reached, market in free fall. First time ever we see institutional profit taking on every single chart. That's it. Do not overcomplicate trading. Obey the rules and the sky's is the limit. Entirely different trading day. Then, yesterday market close that spelled out. Sellers are weak. Bullish rally overextended. Caution, please. And this is sell-off this morning. That's it. Institutional profit taking in play. Setting up for extreme volatility in the next few months. So sooner you prepare, much better off you will be. Only when rules are met, you take a trade. And also to remind you what I will be teaching today's in institutional class, how institutions stepped in with vengeance to buy the market at critical key alpha Fibonacci buy point. So again, if I bring to your attention this chart, this is the reason system traded globally by traders from beginner to hedge fund manager. You're looking at alpha Fibonacci buy point. This is this year's event in the Middle East. This is catastrophic global crisis. But we're discussing with my students that intelligent thing to do to monitor for long. Has anyone seen good events in this world? Shock or not? Buyers step in with vengeance last week in October 2023. So here we are in mid-July. This is 9 months later. Despite catastrophic global events, bullish rallies skyrocketed 1,300 points. Day trading not for you, not a problem. Use system long-term. Use system for long-term positions. Use your intelligent strategic brain. Spectacular institutional rally, 1,300 points later, seeing institutional profit taking. So when you zoom in on micro chart, you're extremely clear where it's coming from. And that's how you trade alpha Fibonacci system. Absolutely no software on this chart, only proprietary rules, only proprietary settings. Insert and apply and choose the chart you want to trade. But when you decide to use software for NinjaTrader 8, all of these levels plotted automatically All you have to do is choose your best trade. Buyers are weak. Institutional profit taking in a play this morning. So this is US dollar in front of you, selling off. Identical events as on S&P mini future. So if you decide to trade Forex on MT4, MT5, of course you can. Identical event, and market skyrocketed from critical key alpha Fibonacci buy point. During such aggressive and dangerous markets, when you're witnessing institutional profit taking and you decide to buy bullish pullbacks, this is another stunning reminder of all you learn in the course. Do not speculate, do not gamble, know the retail reversal zone. Ultimate precision in a play. Currently, I'm looking at multiple charts, I'm monitoring all we discussed with my traders pre-market. So this was extremely powerful bounce on gold. Golden bearish pullback, key level to the downside on gold 220. Here's Apple at historical high. We've never seen that level on Apple. Key level on Apple to the downside 189. You know all of this far in advance. If you bought NVDA at the bottom with alpha Fibonacci system at 12, this is where NVDA is now, testing 140. You also know many months in advance that after this level to follow. But how to trade all of this, you must know the rules. You do not speculate, you do not gamble with your money. You have zero interest in being bottom 95%. You remember forever Amazon catastrophic crash of 65% from alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. Again, absolutely no software on this chart. This you can trade on Fidelity, on Interactive Brokers, on Ameritrade, on TradeStation, on Infinity, on Sierra Charts, on all the other platforms that allow you to trade stocks. No software here, only proprietary rules, only proprietary levels. But again, if you choose to trade with software, it gives you precise entry, precise stop, precise target. All you have to do is choose your best trade. That's it. Now S&P in pain. Now Amazon reaching alpha Fibonacci reversal zone again. So please remember, if you have major news, you place your trade after major news, not into major news. Major news on S&P mini future, you are very well prepared. You understand not to buy, but to monitor for sure. And again, this is major news this morning, 5:30 EST. And again, this is short on S&P mini future, 10 minutes after major news. Spectacular historical rally on pound, spectacular historical rally on euro continues with vengeance. 130 is a key level on pound. As again, incredible student left Saudi Arabia and bought home in South France when euro at the bottom at 104 on pound, on euro at 95 cents. Jamal is my dearest friend for life, living now in South France. And again, all of these rules in hundreds of videos, in private member area, and in live classes. Here's euro before spectacular bullish rally. You understand, not everyone meant to be a day trader. But you understand, if you just look at the charts once a week, once a month, you can use system long term. Here's euro, October 2022, reaching historical low. You can take advantage of the markets in multiple levels. Best time for Americans to buy real estate in Europe by far. By the end of the year, market skyrocketing on euro. By January 2023, euro no longer at 95 cents. It is all the same. what you will decide to trade. Absolutely your personal choice. So here we are 2 years later. Vicious rally on euro continues. Intelligent trader understands no matter how catastrophic global events are, here we are on euro. You learn your lesson quite well. You understand. Alpha Fibonacci system overrides catastrophic news time and time again, no matter what you trade. Pure price for entry and alpha Fibonacci for exit. You can trade every instrument, every time frame, every platform. What's appropriate for you, only you know. Every single trader has different risk management. Every single trader has different personal financial circumstances. If you cannot pass psychological and technical test in day trading, look at the charts once a day. Look at the charts once a week. Can you buy the bottom? Can you sell the top when rules are met? Can you do that? Can you start recognizing that safe haven lies only in you? Not in Amazon, not in Google, not in NVDA, in you. You're in charge of your trading account. Whatever you do every day, you will do much more of tomorrow. But identical alpha Fibonacci reversal zone that does not require any software present on every instrument, every time frame, every platform. But if you choose to day trade futures, you better remember and obey every single tick. And that's what you witness in the trading room every day, without any delays. And you make a personal decision on what you decide to trade. So this is S&P mini future and the live markets in front of you. Oversold coming to retail alpha Fibonacci reversal zone. With a single glimpse, intelligent trader understands to the upside this is key level. If price fails to break through this level, zero reason to buy the market. It means retail weakness. Again, junky little pullback we monitored briefly. Again, institutional sell-off in a progress. Again, institutional level. Key is this. Are you prepared for extreme events? Are you prepared for extreme volatility? Do you understand what this means? This is something we have not seen since 2022. Intelligent trader understands this with a single glimpse. Historical week next. Excellent question on bonds. This level was identified as a buy point days in advance. Bonds skyrocketed from July 9th until July 11th. Profit taking on bonds is on, only retail, not institutional profit taking. Again, single glimpse is all you need when you trade alpha Fibonacci system. S&P seeing phenomenal institutional profit taking, bonds are not. Bonds junky little retail profit taking. And that's a very big difference between S&P versus bonds. So here we go, institutional crash, institutional profit taking on S&P mini future, oversold, show you. Market in pain, market stuck in junky little correction. This is entirely different event, and this is a stunning reminder. If you think that bullish rally will go on forever, you are absolutely wrong. Market setting up for extreme events, being prepared is a critical key part of your incredible, limitless day and position trading. You can apply all the rules you learn to every instrument, every time frame, every platform, or with software for Ninja Trader 8. Scanner is present, scanner giving you alert, take a trade. More than 2 alerts mean power. Single alert mean weakness. You identify the chart and time frame and instrument you want to day trade on futures, or trade all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. You choose. As traders have done and do all over the world, in US and 58 countries, from day 2, institutional trader. So moments like this you're witnessing on S&P mini future right now are critical key in your trading. Number 1, you are not pulling a trigger randomly. Number 2, you're separating weakness from power. This is weakness, this is junk. But when rules will met, when willpower will play out, intelligent trader will buy the bottom. As again, identical rules on every instrument, every time frame, every platform. Identical level you're witnessing on S&P mini future is what played out on bonds this week, is what played out on NVDA. It's all the same, only difference. On NVIDIA, on euro, on pound, you're looking once an hour, once a day, once a week, once a month. But when you day trade futures, sniper's mentality, emotional stability, and sniper's technical execution is a must. All starts with patience, discipline, but critical key piece of a puzzle, solid, proven strategy, traded all over the world since 2011. So here comes Alpha Fibonacci Reversal Zone Live. Intelligent trader understands what separates weakness from power. Identical levels on NVIDIA, as on euro, as on pound, as on Amazon, as on every single instrument. Key level in front of you. Prices struggling immensely, and this can last 15 minutes or an hour or 10, 20, 30, 40, 80 hours. Did you know that? Separating weakness from power is the most important part of your trading. And this is proprietary predictive alpha Fibonacci chess. No power is present, zero reason to pull a trigger. Walk away is a critical key path of your success. Successful people in this world love doing uncomfortable things. Uncomfortable things are the only path to success. So when I read the quote that said, the faster you do the hard things you want to avoid, the faster you will receive the good things you actually want. So stop chasing junk indicators. Stop blocking pure price. Stop joining the bottom of 95%. Start joining the top 5%. Start doing the hard things you want to avoid, and the rewards will come. And when you can trade pure price for entry and proprietary alpha Fibonacci for exits, the skies are the limit. And it all starts with separating weakness from power. What you trade is your personal choice. System applies to all instruments, all time frames, all platforms. As proven by traders all over the world since 2011. So if you like to see the system in the live markets, please request the invitation to the Alpha Fibonacci Trading Room on website. You have so many videos you can view, and most importantly, the webinar, Why is Alpha Fibonacci the ultimate way to trade? Everything spelled out on the website. That this is proprietary, institutional, predictive, precise system traded globally on Wall Street, US, and more than 50 countries. And when you join us today and trade with a lifetime system on all platforms, or with lifetime Alpha Fibonacci software for Ninja Trader 8 2-day trade futures, simply view and choose the package appropriate for you. private mentoring savings up to $1,000 currently. These savings will no longer be available at any moment. As soon as the final spot is filled, private mentoring price will change. Private mentoring includes group course, video library modules, live classes. Group course, the most desirable option, includes video library modules, lifetime system for all platforms, all lifetime software for Ninja Trader 8. If you are not on Ninja Trader 8, option 1 and 3 appropriate for you. Any questions for me? Do not hesitate to contact me. 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. But please review it all on the website, including our traders' performance, including incredible trader who shared this very powerful quote. You develop holy grail of trading. My work for the last 20 years, proven by students all over the world, on futures, on stocks, on forex, on crypto, on options. Absolutely your personal choice what you decide to trade. And when mom with 2 little babies on her arms can trade Nasdaq, anyone can. Her husband, Emmanuel, brought his wife to the course. And that's an ultimate honor. You make a decision what's appropriate for you and your account. So please listen to the podcast View Students' Performance and Review and join us with package appropriate for you. I'm off to teach institutional class with my incredible intelligent traders. Thank you traders so much for spectacular week. Institutional sell-off continues with vengeance.